All right, hello everybody. I'm sitting outside your school just making this quick video. So in order to get to back to WeVideo, and you can do this from any computer, you're just going to want to Google right here, WeVideo, and it will take you back to WeVideo. Now what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to sign in, and when you sign in, you're going to want to sign in using your Gmail account, and you'll see that in 1 second. So when you get to the WeVideo account, you're going to go to log in, because it's going to remember you, and log in with Google. And once you log in with Google, you're going to remember the account. I have a lot of accounts. And you're going to see your dashboard up here. It might go right to the screen, or you might need to go to dashboard. When you find the video that you want to edit, you just scroll over it and you will see you could delete the whole video. I wouldn't advise that. Or you go to edit. And once you go to edit, it's going to come back to the screen that we were working on in class. So just try it again. And you can see here are all the videos, same thing that I was working on or that you were working on. You'll see all the different pieces here.